there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the best bang for your buck decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of mini drones. On the left side of your screen, we have the DEERC D20 Mini Drone, and on the right side, we've got the Loily drone. Buckle up because this is about to get high-flying and hilarious. First up, let's talk about the price. The DEERC D20 is coming in hot at $69. That's like skipping a few Starbucks trips, right? Now, the Loily drone is a bit more premium, priced at $99. That's like 2 weeks of avocado toast. But hey, sometimes you gotta shell out the extra dough for the fancy stuff. Next, let's zoom in on the camera quality. The DEERC D20 sports a 720p HD camera. It's like the flip phone of cameras, nostalgic, but not exactly cutting edge. Meanwhile, the Loily drone boasts a 1080p HD camera with remote angle adjustment. It's like having a mini Spielberg in your pocket. Reviewers appreciate the DEERC D20 for basic captures, but they rave about the Loily drone's superior image quality. So if you want your Instagram to look more wow and less meh, you know which one to go for. Alright, ease of use. The DEERC D20 is marketed as the best drone toy for kids. It's so simple even your grandma could fly it. No offense, grandma. Just tap the one-key start landing button and you're off. On the flip side, the Loily drone is also beginner-friendly, but it throws in some extra features like headless mode and gravity sensing. Reviewers love the DEERC D20 for its simplicity, while the Loily drone is praised for its versatility. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. Versatile, but potentially confusing if you're not careful. Battery life is a biggie, folks. The DEERC D20 gives you about 20 minutes of flight time, which is enough to annoy your neighbors, but not enough to get caught. The Loily drone, on the other hand, offers a whopping 25 to 30 minutes. That's like an extra commercial break during your favorite show. Plus, both come with 2 rechargeable batteries, so you can keep the fun going longer. Reviewers appreciate the DEERC D20 for short, fun flights, but they love the Loily drone for its extended playtime. Safety first. The DEERC D20 comes with propeller guards, low-power alarm, and an emergency stop feature. It's like the overprotective parent of drones. You'll be safe, but maybe a bit suffocated. The Loily drone also has propeller guards and even includes spare fan blades. It's like having a drone with a first aid kit. Plus, it has overvoltage protection and a low battery warning. Reviewers commend both drones for their safety features, but the Loily drone's additional protections make it stand out. Basically, you'd have to try really hard to mess this one up. Special features, because who doesn't love some extra flair? The DEERC D20 can do 3D flips and has waypoints fly, adding some Cirque du Soleil to your flight. And yes, it has voice control and gesture selfies. Just say, "Take off," or flash a peace sign, and you're good to go. The Loily drone one-ups with 360 degrees flips, gravity sensing, and even lets you add music and filters to your videos. It's like TikTok on wings. Reviewers enjoy the DEERC D20 for its fun tricks, but they absolutely love the Loily drone for its enhanced creativity options. Reviewers say the DEERC D20 Mini Drone is a fantastic entry-level drone that's durable, easy to use, and budget-friendly, making it perfect for beginners. On the other hand, the Loily drone is praised for its advanced features, superior camera quality, and extended battery life, making it a hit among both beginners and more experienced users. So which drone should you get? If you're looking for a fun, easy-to-use, and budget-friendly drone, the DEERC D20 is your go-to. But if you want more features, better camera quality, and a bit more flight time, the Loily drone is worth the extra bucks. Either way, you'll be soaring high and snapping epic pics. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Fly high, smart shoppers, and see you in the next video.